What's up, guys? So today I got my Bison Made number 8 wallet. I'm gonna be unboxing it. You can see the whole thing. Good. Alright, so there's the box. Opens up to the side like that. It's wrapped up in some nice paper. Pull that up nicely. And then inside of there's a little felt pouch. And inside of that is the wallet. And wow, this just feels amazing. This leather. Wow. Oh my god, it smells phenomenal. It smells like some very high grade leather. It's the Horween chromexcel leather. Before this, I really didn't know about all the different types of leather, but this one in particular is very high grade, very durable, and the Bison Made company uses no lining. I don't know if you can see in there, but it's just leather all the way around, which is good. For me, in the past, the first thing that went on my wallets was the lining, so that is specifically why I decided to go for a wallet such as this one. And yeah, cannot wait to break it in and get it going, and I will come back with an update video in maybe 6 months to a year to show you what it looks like after it's been aged. And this is the whiskey color. Alright.